uh, I was playing um, I was playing and my control dropped, but I can fix it. Give me a little bit of time. Where's this go, boy? Whoopsie, my whoops. I'm gonna be missing a piece right here. But I guess that broke. Happy New Year, by the way. I hope you're happy this year. This is R, left, right, left, right. Hey, derecha, R, yeah. Because I write with this hand. That's what I remember. Izquierdo, left. I don't have the right tools, all right? Hmm. Okay, I just have this left now. I'm getting happy. Where'd this go, man? I'm an expert. I want to be an expert, but I always mess things up. That's just me. Oh, I want to be a professional at something at some point. I don't have the right tools. How this go, man? This go for the outside, right? This is the outside part or this one? That would happen to me actually, considering my luck. It's gone mad, boy. Well, I got it to turn on. I don't see the light. Like, there, see? Oh, yeah. Press the PS button. Okay. Okay, do you want to see my profile picture? Maybe we can play sometime. Okay, so this is when I created my portfolio. And this was my last rank up. And I don't think I have grinded too much. I think like I could have done better. This is my total global RP. This is my overall income, overall expenses. Yeah, see, I make money, but I also spend it as well. Look, crazy, huh? See, this is total players killed. This is, see, I don't kill too many people. Total deaths by players, 37. See, distance traveled, 37,000 miles. Nah. Time spent in GTA Online, 50 days, 5 hours, 25 minutes, 54 seconds. See, general. Let me see the crimes. See, this is the Cops Guild, News Guilds, Times Wanted, 1 stars, 4,000. See, tires shout out, vehicular kills. See, it's just, I'm a decent player, you know, I don't know. That's my level, 319, since September 20, 2024. 319 as of today. Today was my last rank up.